I am Dr. Aftab Ranja and you are watching Pakistan Online. As India is turning into a fascist state, the world community, including the United States, is watching it like a silent spectator. As the Indian government has started a full-fledged operation against Muslims, arresting them and demolishing their houses and destroying their businesses, it has also started a crackdown on the main opposition party, the Indian National Congress. The police on Wednesday stormed into the Congress headquarters in New Delhi and ransacked it, besides beating up the party workers. Earlier, the police crushed the farmers who were protesting against the government's farm laws in capital New Delhi. A big question: is India becoming a fascist state? Is haunting the world, as India is also becoming a threat to China and Pakistan's security. As the United States has close relations with India, the Biden administration should put moral pressure on the Indian government to respect human rights laws. India is also buying oil from Russia in violation of the international law. The United States, Britain, France, and Germany should use their leverage to stop India from becoming a fascist state, as a human disaster is imminent in the so-called largest democracy of the world. Earlier in the day, the fascist Bharatiya Janata Party government tortured a woman member of the parliament. Listen to
Honorable
her.
Speaker, sir, this is your member of parliament, Ms. Jyothimani from Karur, Tamil Nadu. Delhi police has brutally behaved with us yesterday and today as well. So they brutally assaulted us and tore my clothes like this. They tore my clothes like this. This is happening to the Lok Sabha member of parliament. And they removed my shoes. They carried me like a criminal. Now they are taking us to an unknown location for the past 1 hour. We are actually dying for water. We 7-8 women in this bus, including me, we are repeatedly asking for water. They refuse to give water, and also we are trying to buy water from outside. Police stopping the people who are selling water to us not to sell us. Is this the way this police will behave? This is what happened to a woman member of parliament. A woman member of parliament can go through this. This cannot be tolerated, whether a woman member of parliament or a woman or any person from a political party cannot be treated like this. Please take action against them.